Hold on to your hats, folks, because the AI revolution is in full swing and Samsung is leading the charge. It's not just a talk of the town, it's the talk of the year. Picture this: futuristic flagship phones with mind-blowing AI features that will redefine your smartphone experience. Brace yourselves for the epic showdown of chipsets from Samsung and Qualcomm, promising a next-level journey into the digital realm. And guess what? Samsung is not holding back. They've unleashed the Samsung AI Forum, a spectacular event happening right now in the heart of Seoul, South Korea. It's not your average gathering. It's a mind-melting extravaganza of over 1,000 brainiacs, including researchers, brainy academics, industry gurus, and the tech-savvy students of tomorrow. Hold tight because the Samsung Advanced Institute of Technology has already set the stage on fire with Day 1 at the Suwon Convention Center. The theme? Large-scale AI for a better tomorrow. But wait, there's more. Day 2, hosted by Samsung Research at their R&D campus in Seoul, promises even more mind-bending revelations tomorrow. And you know what's on everyone's mind? Safety and trust. As AI rockets into the future, these brainy minds at Samsung are putting their heads together to ensure that your AI experience is not just mind-blowing, but also safe and trustworthy. Yoshua Bengio, the maestro of deep learning technology, unveiled a top-secret AI machine learning algorithm that's like the superhero of the digital world, stopping large language models from going rogue. Day 1 wasn't just a casual chit-chat. It delved deep into the world of LLMs, the incredible transformation of AI for industry, and the jaw-dropping power of large-scale computing for LLMs and simulation. The wizards at the Samsung Advanced Institute of Technology spilled the beans on how AI will weave its magic across every nook and cranny of semiconductor processing. Buckle up, tech enthusiasts, because the Samsung AI Forum is not just an event, it's the front row seat to the future. Don't miss a beat as the AI saga unfolds, bringing you the tech marvels that will shape our tomorrow. The future is here, and it's wearing a Samsung logo.